I'll tell you what, boy, we see these 100-year-olds doing way more than I am at my age.
I mean, that's pretty impressive.
Yes.
And of course, thanks to her for her service as well.
Absolutely.
Around here, quite a bit of heat and humidity through the weekend. Of course, some scattered showers, scattered storms yesterday. A live view from the Benton Square this morning, showing that sunrise there in the distance. Had to kind of bring down just to be able to show some of the light there. 73 degrees currently in Benton. Dew point still running into the upper 60s and lower 70s, but we are tracking a cold front dropping in from the north. Some of the rural areas dealing with some patchy fog, primarily in some of the low-lying areas. But this afternoon, that cold front settles itself near the Ohio River, and it means we're going to have quite a contrast in the heat index this afternoon. Upper 90s to near 100 across western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel. To the north across southern Illinois, though, we do expect the humidity to be just a little bit lower. We're not talking about any type of big-time relief until at least the end of the week, but that heat, that humidity comes roaring back into Wednesday and Thursday. We're talking triple-digit heat index values for everyone by Thursday afternoon, but our next cold front then arrives on Friday and brings us our next chance for some rain showers. However, this morning we've been tracking just a couple showers and storms developing. One of those looks like just there to the south and east parts of Graves County. A lot of lightning in this storm that continues to work its way also through the far northeastern corner of Weakley County in northwest Tennessee. So if you're in Murray looking back towards the south and west, you could probably see the lightning flashing, and you can probably hear quite a bit of thunder there as well. That is just to the south and west of Murray. All of the showers and storms today will be near this boundary and to the south of it. A very slow moving cold front. And to the north of that front, dew points have dropped back in the 60s from Peoria to Springfield to St. Louis. Out ahead of that cold front, though, well, dew points are still well into the 70s. Poplar Bluff right now, dew point at 73 degrees. Remember, those dew points are a measure of how much moisture, how much humidity is in the air. This afternoon, mostly sunny skies across southern Illinois, upper 80s in Mount Vernon, 90 in Carmine, 90 in Harrisburg and Carbondale, lower 90s, closer to that stalled boundary. And there is a chance we're likely going to be dealing with some scattered showers and storms, primarily into the Missouri Boot Heel and parts of northwest Tennessee. The rain chances are much lower across southern Illinois. And then we get into Tuesday, and that stalled boundary still lingering around, which means we're going to have that big contrast in temperatures. Lower 90s Tuesday afternoon in southern Illinois, mid 90s possible into parts of northwest Tennessee. And it's also going to have a pretty big impact on the heat index this afternoon. Lower 90s, so heat index value is very close to actual temperatures into southern Illinois. On the other side of that front, where the humidity is still running high, triple-digit heat index values, especially into northwest Tennessee and the Missouri Boot Heel, even into tomorrow afternoon. A similar theme here. Now, as that cold front works its way back to the north Wednesday and Thursday, actual temperatures low to mid 90s. By Thursday afternoon, 95 degrees, heat index values into the triple digits, but there's the cool down arriving by the end of this week. Track that heat, track that humidity with the Storm Track 3 app. One of those days that limits some of your outdoor activities during the heat of the afternoon, especially in here towards the middle of the week. Rain chances start to increase on Friday, a few scattered showers and storms. Now that's a cold front, will work its way through, keeps a chance for some scattered showers and storms in the forecast for the weekend. But the humidity will be dropping and the temperatures will be too by Saturday and Sunday. Highs get back into the upper 80s. This past weekend, you know, yesterday, temperatures 90, 91 degrees. You're like, oh, okay, it's late July, but the humidity was just tremendously high. We're all, I think, ready for a bit of a break.
Sure. All right. Thank you, Nick.